guys. Welcome to MTV Cribs. No, I'm just playing.
Okay, so you walk in, and then we have this long space. Let me see if I can capture it at a better angle.
Walking.
This long space that Alicia's visualizing like a table and a mirror, real classy. And then it has a coat closet, which is perfect. That's where everybody will put their jackets and their shoes. That way it's not out here. That's our current problem. Oh, that's a giant spider.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay, so then you walk in. This is the first bedroom. The first bedroom is going to be, I think we decided it's gonna be our office. It's where my school stuff will be, and we'll edit the videos and stuff like that. And then you go this way, and you have the bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. This is the granite countertops. I like the shower here.
Oh, because they have these holder places.
Yes. So we have like a.
That's pretty cool. I like it. I like the granite top.
Yes, and then I like how all these things are silver and not gold because I'm not a fan of gold. So you walk in. This is another room. This is another closet. This one is gonna be, I think we decided the guest room.
This is the guest room.
This is gonna be the guest room because it's right next to the bathroom.
And then we have a closet. This is gonna be the closet where you have all your cleaning supplies for the kitchen and stuff. You know how you have your broom and stuff. You don't know where.
Oh yeah, your broom, your vacuum,
things like that. That's what I'm talking
our
about.
Swiffer.
This one right here is the garage. I'm not gonna open it. Garage.
It's a 2-car garage.
2-car garage. And this is where the AC is. And this room is. It's a game room right here. It could be a game room, it could be a workout room. We don't even know what to do with it.
I don't know, to be honest with you. We're still in the process of deciding.
Yeah.
Another closet.
Here is a laundry room. Everything, all this appliance, everything's brand new. Yeah. I can't believe I'm actually getting this. Like, it's our room.
I know.
Wow. I know, right? And the best favorite part.
The favorite part.
Yes.
So we have an island, which was a requirement for Ricky.
I mean, for both of us.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah.
And then we got the granite countertops, which was a requirement for me, and I wanted something with gray. This has, I don't think this does it justice, but there's like some purple undertones here. And then Ricky wanted the dark cabinets.
You want it white, but the thing is, the only thing with white is
it gets dirty.
Gets dirty fast.
And we do have.
Gets dirty, even this, like you can tell if it's dusty.
We don't have kids, but we have a lot of kids, and so white cabinets would not be the best idea. So we got the dark cabinets. I wanted gray tile, but it didn't have the set. But we're happy, bless you, with the dark cabinets, this granite, and the cream tile. It has a dishwasher. It comes with a stove and the microwave. This is a giant pantry.
Whoa, yeah, it's really big.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with that.
I mean, we'll just have a lot of food.
And then our fridge, and then I have a few ideas for that.
This one?
Yes.
I just want the coffee maker your mom brought.
No, not my mom brought a coffee maker.
Yeah.
The sink is cool because it's one of those that detaches.
Yes.
And then
it's a dining room.
Yes, and it has a light fixture.
I like this.
Yes, I agree. I like it as well. It's silver, and again, like that's my thing. Guys, and this is our backyard. We're not gonna go outside because the sprinklers are on, were on, so the grass is wet. But our backyard is pretty big, and we have that St. Augustine grass, so it's nice.
Oh, we have that nice, good grass. And guess who's gonna be cutting it? you should be cutting it too, but it's fine. We'll work with that. Guys. Yes, I like this kitchen though. Look at this kitchen. Look at this kitchen.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Yes.
We're thinking the TV goes on that side and maybe get like a sectional couch and then an area rug.
Are we gonna put anything right here?
I don't know. We'll see with time. Maybe like a painting or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. Like even if
it's like
something goes there, yeah.
Yeah, we have some.
We'll think of something.
And then what entering is the master bedroom. Pretty decent size. Yes, I love it. We have. I mean, once we have all the furniture and stuff, like everything starts to get smaller.
And then so we have the blinds already, which is great.
Finally got 2 sinks, man.
We don't have to fight anymore when we do our hairs.
Or brush our teeth or anything. Oh my god.
Cause like this morning I was straightening my hair and Ricky was doing his hair and we're literally like this, like
so close.
Like move.
And I'm trying to like look in the mirror.
So we have 2, which is great.
I mean, this is nice, man. And only
Those
thing is
don't
like
open,
I don't
yeah.
have this open, but it's still good.
The first one that we had seen had the shelves, like had the different drawers.
That go down that open up this way.
Yeah, but this one didn't.
And this is not bad at all.
That's bigger than the one we have, babe. I told you. Yes, it is. 100%. Let's see.
Maybe it's because I'm like
100%. I've never been.
So
able
you're
to
gonna be standing there underneath the wall.
Okay, well no, but like
right there. You see?
Okay, this is space.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
I
more
like
spacious.
this. I like this stuff.
I always wanted this because I'm tired of like, you know how when you have a tub, you gotta put everything down there, you gotta kind of bend down, reach, everything falls.
Not anymore.
Look at that, right on top, reachable. The only thing I'm not really.
What?
I'm
this
kind of okay with.
I'm loving that it's in a separate room.
That it's right here. It's in a separate room because if you close it, you're gonna be like suffocated, kind of.
The point is that I don't have to smell you when I'm taking a shower. Alright, wait, this one.
And this is 2 different closets.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Because this is a closet where you put your towels and stuff like that. Or you know what I mean? Things like that you want to organize with, or you want to change your bathroom look or organize it. You see what I mean? It goes in there. And this is the closet.
No, and sheets can go in right now.
Yeah, sheets can go
Adrian was like, oh, this could be my room, and then I'll have a little twin bed, and you can put a little TV. And he's like, and I sleep right next to you.
Yeah, he wanted to sleep he wanted to be right next door to us. Exactly. This is a really big closet. Like, do you have this side?
I haven't decided, but I asked my dad if he could put another row of shelves there.
Right here?
That way we can put it for our pants.
I like it. Alright guys, but yes, that is the tour of the house, new house that we're going to be moving in, our first brand new house. Oh my god.
It's a big deal.
Yes.
I honestly, a year ago, did not think this is where we would be.
Because, did we take a video of the apartment?
No. So we
but
had
it's
moved
really
out.
Nice. Like, I love that apartment.
Yes, we love our apartment.
Awesome.
It was wonderful. It was, we had moved out of my mom's house and we were living in the apartment, and it was great. It served a really good purpose. But we're here now.
Yeah, moving on up, being more adults.
But honestly, like, I couldn't have done it without like my dad, my stepmom.
Yeah.
I couldn't have done it without them. So I definitely have to thank all of them, my moms, everybody, because everybody's been a great help. Alicia, Lori.
Yeah, all our friends and family.
Our friends.
Been doing good.
Really supportive, and honestly, like, we could not have done it without them. This process has been crazy, but we managed.
I mean, but it's not done yet. We still got the moving. We still got
and they're gonna help with that. They're great. But literally, like, we started seeing this house 2 weeks ago now. So 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
So
in a span of a month,
because this is the first one that we seen. Yes. That first one that we seen.
My stepmom started with like the best, and then we saw other ones that we did.
We had like a standard.
Yeah, and we were like, well, compared to the first house. So yes.
Yeah,
This was
pretty. Yeah, the moment we came in, I had a feeling.
No, we literally were like, this is our house.
Yeah.
And all the other houses that we saw, it didn't. I think we were just like, this is it. This doesn't get better than this.
Alright guys, so that's the tour of the house.
We're gonna paint and stuff. So in a span, what I was saying is that within a span of a month, like, we got the house, we're closing on the 29th. So yeah, but we're gonna paint and stuff. So keep in tune for that video where we start, I guess, not remodeling, but
just like the organizing and putting stuff together,
making the house more.
Home. It's like more home, yeah. Alright guys, so that's it. That's it for the vlog. See you guys next time.